Hello everyone, so I am on the console of AWS. So let me log in into the AWS, and on the search bar you have to search for IAM service. So I am going to create a user. So I have just click on users, and then at the top right hand side you can see we have an option to create a user. So username I am giving ChatBot AWS Python. You can give any name, it is up to you. Just copy the name and next, and you need to attach the policies, like what permission you want to give to this user. So here you can search for AWS Bedrock, or you can search with Bedrock. So I have got this one, so take this one and next, and create user. So user account has been created. Here you can see. Now we need the access key for this user. So how we can get that? So just click on that user, and here you can see we have few tabs like permissions, groups, tags, security credentials. So click on security credentials. Just scroll down, and here you can see we have an option for access keys. So just click on create access key, and then use case you have to choose command line interface, that is CLI, and confirmation, just tick on it and click next. Create access key. So access keys has been created. Here we have the access key and secret access key. So let me copy both of them. Perfect, and click on done. So it is saying that continue without reviewing or downloading. If you have not viewed or downloaded your secret key, if you continue, you cannot retrieve it in the future, and you must create a new access key. So we have already downloaded, so we are good to continue. Perfect. Now coming back to our Visual Studio Code terminal, and here you have to install the AWS CLI. So pip install AWS CLI. So it has installed successfully. Next is, let me check its version. So pip show AWS CLI. Perfect. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to use the AWS CLI command to authorize this Visual Studio Code to the AWS account, so that if you are going to create a Python script, so our Python script should able to interact with the Bedrock service which is available in our AWS account.